There's a reason Gurgaon 1 Sector 22 sold out before construction even began, and one apartment just came back. Built in 2008, award-winning, and designed by international architects. Gurgaon 1 isn't a promise, it's a 17-year-old proven address where infrastructure, community, and location have already delivered everything that new projects can only dream of providing. Mature green belt, established society, it's the kind of address that does not become available very often. 3131 square feet, a servant room, and 2 parking. This is a ready-to-move and fully functioning complex close to Delhi, IGI Airport, and Cyber City, delivering everything that new projects can only hope to deliver. Cricket pitch, tennis courts, Olympic-sized pool. A lifestyle that's not just being marketed, but lived. Book your viewing now. See what's the difference between established and under construction, because addresses like this don't wait, and neither should you.